how to change your primary email on PayPal. In order to change your primary email on PayPal, I suggest using a browser version. So open up your browser, type in paypal.com and log into your account. As you're logged in, you will be directed to the home page, and here this is how it's going to look. Press onto the menu bar from a top left corner of the screen and click open the gear icon from a top left. As you've done that, you have these email, right? You want to press open the see all button at the top. Now here you could just go ahead and select the email and select edit. Now you could just simply go and erase the present email that you have and enter in or change it with a new one and click open the confirm button at the bottom of the page, and that is how you'll be able to change your primary email on PayPal. However, the step doesn't end here. What you next you need to do is you just want to confirm it by entering the verification code that will be sent, and that's when you'll have successfully changed your primary email on PayPal. And you might also be logged out, so you have to log in once again. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.